what is the tort of invasion of privacy? There are subcategories of this, but basically it is a situation where you are invading on someone else's personal interest that causes them harm, so it's thereby actionable against you. Now, the first one relates to marketing. It's where you use someone else's image or likeness or name or something like that to support your product, right? Doing that without obtaining a proper release or their permission would violate their right to privacy because they have ownership interests or rights in their name or likeness. And if you use their name or likeness to support your product without them knowing, you are in effect stealing from them. So that would be an invasion of their personal privacy. Another one would be invasion upon what's called their physical solitude. That's when you actually say spy on them in some way in an illegal manner. That would be breaking into their home, looking into their windows, illegal wiretapping, such as tapping their phone, sending a virus that bugs their computer so you can invade their electronic hard drive, or anything else where you invade on their right to privacy. In that situation, they could bring an action against you for the damages they suffered by your wiretapping, your invasion of their home, your spying on them, etc. Okay? And then the last one would be when you gain possession, generally through a fiduciary relationship, of private information that to disclose it would cause harm to the individual. Now, easy example of that would be, say, a medical attendant of some sort has an individual's health records and they find out some objectionable information, something that would subject the individual to some sort of ridicule or could damage their image or reputation. And then you disclose that information wrongfully to the public at large or to third parties. Now, the information is true, but it was protected. It was private information, and disclosing that to outside persons would be highly objectionable to them. Situations could be someone with access to court records disclosing that an individual had been raped or molested or something like that. Another situation would be a medical attendant disclosing that an individual has some sort of objectionable disease that would subject them to ridicule, perhaps such as HIV or some venereal disease. All of those, disclosure of something like that would be actionable under an invasion of privacy. Okay?